Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, focusing on some of the newest advancements and top features that are making waves in the industry. Whether you're a seasoned techie or just curious about AI, there's something here for everyone. Let's kick things off by talking about what's new in AI. The landscape is evolving rapidly, with innovations that are not only impressive, but also incredibly useful in our daily lives. From enhanced natural language processing to smarter machine learning algorithms, AI is becoming more intuitive and capable than ever before. These advancements are designed to make our interactions with technology smoother and more efficient. Now, let's highlight some of the top features of the latest AI products. One standout feature is the ability to understand context better than previous models. This means that AI can now grasp nuances in conversation, making it more effective in applications like customer service, virtual assistants, and even content creation. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only understands your commands, but can also anticipate your needs based on past interactions. Another exciting development is the integration of AI with other technologies, such as augmented reality and the Internet of Things. This combination opens up a world of possibilities, allowing for smarter homes, more engaging educational tools, and even advanced healthcare solutions. The potential is limitless, and it's thrilling to think about how these technologies will shape our future. Now, you might be wondering how to use these advanced AI tools. The good news is that many of them are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Whether you're using a new AI-driven app or a sophisticated software platform, most come with intuitive interfaces that guide you through the process. Many products also offer tutorials and support to help you get started, ensuring that you can harness the power of AI without feeling overwhelmed. For those who are concerned about the complexity of AI, rest assured that these tools are becoming increasingly accessible. You don't need to be a tech wizard to take advantage of what AI has to offer. With just a few clicks, you can integrate AI into your daily routine, whether it's for personal use, business applications, or creative projects. As we wrap up today's discussion, I want to thank you for joining us on this journey through the exciting world of AI. It's an incredible time to be involved in technology, and I hope you feel inspired to explore these advancements further. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights and updates. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting content with you soon.